Hello, good evening. My name is Young Akolache Barnabas, and today I'm taking you through Young's pronunciation channel. Today we are looking at the sound for C, the sound of C. Let's start. First, we are going to look at how to write the spelling of the sound. Then, from there, we'll be able to get the sound of C. So let's start. We have, with the C, our C, with the sound, we are going to represent with K. So, K, A, T, cat. And our sound over here for the C is K. So the sound for C is K. The C, K, K, K. Now when you use a scissors, you are cutting something. Like scissors. And the second one is scent. Let's look at the spelling of the sound. That is, our C here is not K but S. If you listen to the pronunciation, scent. So we're going to have S, that is S, E, T, S, E, T, scent. And our sound for C is S sound. So there are two sounds that the letter C can make, or our alphabet C can make. The first sound is K, 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 as in the word cat. As in the word cat. And the second one is the C can make the S sound, as in the word scent. Scent. So these are the two sounds that the letter C can make. Let's go one more time through the words. Cat. That is the k k sound. K k sound. Then we also have scent. That is the S sound. S, k, k. Bye. See you.